What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I'm very excited about this one because finally, after what seems like it was more than 2 years at this point, it might even have been longer. I think it might have been like 3 years at this point. I don't know. But the Ledger Stacks finally came to my doorstep. I pre-ordered this when they like first announced it, and it was like pushed back, and people were getting it. I didn't get it, and it was just a whole nightmare. And I believe they had like a whole like hack of Ledger as well. That honestly was not the best situation, especially as you pre-ordered this, as you already spent money on it. But I was excited to have something like this. I was excited to have something that I can put this crypto aside, set it, and forget it. Right? That's what it's all about, is having some stored for the future and not being that person that had 10,000 Bitcoin and then sold it all because they thought it hit a great price, or they wanted to buy a Papa John's pizza or something like that. I want to be able to, yes, still sell some XRP, still sell some Ethereum and do all of that, but I also want to put some aside for what the future will be. And this will be the easiest way to do that, to store it and put something in there that I feel as though will be valuable in the next 10, 20, 30 years. And, hopefully it will be valuable for me as well as valuable for my children. So, guys, we're going to go through the Ledger Stacks. We're actually going to go through an unboxing. We got something in the mail today, so we are going to unpackage it. Hopefully I don't show my address. I have the Meta glasses right here, so we're going to show kind of like a first-hand look on this as well. Kind of move this forward a little bit so that makes it easy. But guys, if you could, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter and follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Oh, and another thing, if you guys want to start leverage trading, feel free to utilize my leverage trading platform, Margex, down below. I'm partnered with them. They are partnered with the channel. And honestly, it's been amazing. Lately, it hasn't really been that great since the crypto did crash. But you can find ways to be profitable in a bull market or a bear market. It was just that was a really, really aggressive. So feel free to check out my link down below for Margex. But let's go ahead and get into this. So we're going to start this with the box opened up. All right, we got the Ledger Stacks right here. And this is the magnet shell. So it's going to be protection for the Ledger Stacks here. But then you also have the Ledger Stacks. Let's take this out of the box. Very simple. Simply put together. I guess you get all this other stuff too. Free from compromise. You got Ledger. You got all this stuff. You got stickers, I guess. All right, I got it open. It was pretty easy. I thought I would have to use a knife, but I did not. At least, I don't think I did. All right, so open that up. All right, Ledger Stacks. Now you're in control. Secure crypto, NFTs, digital assets. All right, let's open this up. And there's the little Ledger Stacks there. Ledger Stacks, trust yourself. Recovery sheet. I don't want to have to go through this because I feel as though this is going to be something that I want to keep for myself. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that here and not see. It says, don't share it, don't lose it. So this is something you do not want to share on the internet. I'll tell you that. Quick start. Let's see if we can easily start this. Getting started. One, you got to turn it on. Press the button to the right to power on. Let's check it out. Let's look at it first. Before we go into that, let's look at it. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Very simple, very sleek, very modern, right? This is pretty nice. I'll go ahead and peel this off. Welcome to Ledger Stacks. Trust yourself. I will trust myself. Is there another sticker on here? Or is that part of it? So open that up. It's kind of like a Kindle. Ledger Stacks, the most trusted place for your digital assets. Tap to continue. A Ledger Stacks generates and stores your private keys. These keys give you ownership and control over your crypto and NFTs. Use Ledger Stacks together with Ledger Live app to create and sign transactions. All right, set up Ledger Stacks with Ledger Live Mobile, Ledger Live Desktop, set up without Ledger Live. I probably have to set up without Ledger Live because I don't have either or. But just to let you guys know, this looks very, very cool. hopefully, it works well and we also don't have any issues. But one other thing that we have in here, we'll put this to the side up here. One other thing that we have in here is the cable, I guess, to charge it. The cable to charge it or cable to connect it. Not really to charge it. I don't really know how that works, if it does have a battery or not, honestly. I'm going to be very, very honest with you. Press the button to the right to power on. Follow the instructions on the screen. Use Ledger Live app on your mobile or computer together with Ledger Stax to secure and manage your crypto NFTs and other assets. So with that being said, we're going to go into my phone, Ledger Live, install. All right, so this will be, I guess the best way would be to set it up with Ledger Live. But I'm going to go ahead and install it. I'm going to open it and I'll have to set up everything as we move along. So bear with me. There's a bear with me. Set up your ledger. Access your wallet. So I'm going to set up my ledger. I have a Ledger Stax. Allow. While using this app. Location services. Looking for Ledger Stax. How do you know that this is your ledger? You can see it over on the side, Ledger Stax 63E2. That's going to be me. So I'll go ahead and select that. And then I will pair it. Pair. And then the Ledger Stax is paired. Genuine check and OS update check. Use the Ledger Live app to confirm this Ledger Stax. And everything will go through. And now you have the OS update. Start update. This is very simple instructions, by the way. You just turn it on and you have literally 2 steps. And you don't have to worry about anything else in here. It just has other languages. So while this is updating, I guess I'll just go ahead and clean some things up. Okay, now we're installing the update. So while that's updating, I'm going to go ahead and open this, which is the shell, the magnet shell. Open up this. And it'll give me this for protection. And I put this in here. And it's a magnet, so it sticks like that. That's pretty cool. So it sticks, and then you have that protection. So that's very simple to have together. And we'll open this up. I guess to take it out, to view it, and just put it on the back there. But that's really cool to have the protection that comes with it as well, so that it's not just an open screen. All right, now it says your Ledger Stax OS is now up to date. So now you can, the most trusted security for your digital assets. Is that true? Your crypto and other digital assets are stored on the blockchain. To own and manage these assets, you need the private keys linked to them. Ledger Stax generates and protects your private keys. Use Ledger Stax to securely review and sign transactions. To buy, send, swap, stake any crypto, and to manage your Ledger Stax, use the Ledger Live app. All right, so I had to pause for a little bit because the majority of that last setup was involving recovery phrases and the things that you guys aren't allowed to see, and confirming that I wrote those things down and everything there. So, and setting a pin and all that stuff. So that's very simple. It's very self-explanatory, but it's something that's necessary. What it's doing is it's installing Bitcoin and Ethereum apps so that we can easily, I guess it works with Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain. So in order to work effectively, work the right way, we need to download those apps. So that's something that we're doing right now. We just got through with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm not sure if it's going to end up making these moves to download Solana and XRP and things of that nature, but maybe we can just add, maybe we can add an app. Scan or go to my ledger on Ledger Live apps to add apps. Okay, and we'll be able to do that. So now I could buy crypto, I could transfer your assets to your ledger. So if I do that, I can have my address to send it to. So yeah, I'll probably do that to where I send my crypto over to here, but it's very simple. I mean, it's nice, it's sleek, it's a great design. I absolutely love it. Now I just need to know that it works, right? Because something can look great, but absolutely suck when it comes to the use or the need for the product, right? So, We'll definitely set up everything else later. So let's set this up later. I feel as though this is something that I needed. This is the one thing that I didn't have in my arsenal of crypto stuff. And it's great that I got kind of, I would say, the cream of the crop things here. It says in the name of my wallet now. It says Perry's wallet on the side, and I can lock it or unlock it. Like I can press over here, I can press lock. I'm excited to explore what that is and what crypto I have on it and all that stuff. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you have received the ledger stacks. Let me know if you have any other, products like this. If you have any other ledgers, let me know. But yeah, this is exciting, and this is going to be my first time exploring it. And what I'm going to do is move my crypto that I want to move over there, whether it's Solana, maybe 10 Solana, maybe Ethereum, 1 Ethereum, and some XRP over there. And we'll see how that goes in the next 10, 20, 30 years, whatever. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out some of the links down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.